Has corruption hit a new low in India? A judge's remarks calling the Ram Mandir donation theft a nadir of integrity has sparked a fierce debate. Allahabad High Court Judge Justice Atul Sridharan has suggested that the government should consider capital punishment for those convicted of the most serious corruption cases. While highlighting the growing normalization of corruption, the judge questioned why such incidents do not lead to stronger public outrage. The remarks came during his observations on the bulldozer justice, where he criticized the practice of demolishing properties of accused persons, describing it as a response to what he called the public's appetite for spectacle. The judge referred to the theft of Ram Mandir donation funds as a serious test of institutional integrity. The case involves allegations of crores of rupees being stolen from temple donations, with 8 people accused. The big question: has what the court said, can it be turned into reality? I'm being joined at this point by Chitra Batam, spokesperson for Congress, Sukumar Pat Joshi, senior advocate with the Supreme Court, as well as Sanjay Rana, who's a political analyst. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining me. Well, Sukumar Pat Joshi, what do you really make out of what the Allahabad court seems to have said today?
Good evening. The observation made by the Allahabad High Court have generated intense debate today, in fact, across legal and public circles. While hearing the matter concerning this alleged bulldozer action of Uttar Pradesh government, etc., then coming to a very important and distinguished judicial observation that, it was referring to the alleged embezzlement of donation meant for Ram temple in Ayodhya. The court described that it is the nadir of Indian integrity. That's the bottom. And suggested that Parliament should consider introducing the death penalty for these convicted.
True. So what do you make out of it? Can this be a reality? Should this be a reality?
No. This is an observation orally. It's not an order or something, so that you cannot say that this has been order passed or something and we discuss on that. This is an observation. This is an anguish. And there are many things, during a court hearing. Every word uttered in a courtroom is not an order. It's not a verdict. It's only the disgust.
Okay.
It only depicts the concerns and the seriousness.
Okay. Chitra Batam, anguish, disgust. I mean, at the end of the day, death penalty is for rarest of rare cases. For a judge to have made such strong statements, though. Chitra Batam.
Yeah, hi Sneha. First of all, good evening to you as, can you hear me, Sneha?
Yes, go ahead, ma'am, please.
Can you hear me? So Sneha, first of all, I'd like to say that these are very strong sentiments that have been expressed by the Justice of Allahabad High Court, and I don't think so he's any wrong in making these bold statements. Death penalty, definitely, because the ones who have done this entire fiasco, they are the ones who have killed the astha of crores and crores, I would say billions of Hindu people across the globe as such. So I believe this is such a shameful episode to have happened during the government that have claimed to be the rakshaks of the Hindu Dharma and the promoters of the Hindu Dharma and whatnot. So I believe their entire intention of coming into power was exposed by the manner in which the donation theft took place under the eyes and nose of the respective government, the government which has claimed credit for everything that was concerned with Ram Mandir, be it, the demolition of Babri Masjid, or be it the Shilanyas, or be it the Dhwajarohan, be it the Pran Pratishtha event and whatnot. They have really, taken into consideration every episode, and they have tried to milk out of it as much as possible. So I believe when this thing happened, when the Mandir economics has completely failed, and when the astha of the people have been hampered and tortured by the embezzlement case. I believe the Justice of Allahabad High Court is not wrong in making such strong observations. And yes, the ones who have killed the Astha of crores of Hindus definitely deserve to have a death penalty, at least in the observation.
Sanjay Rana?
Hi Sneha, good evening and good evening to our fellow panelists. Obviously, Mr. Sridharan, Justice Sridharan has given an observation. Being a practitioner advocate, I understand everyone has a right to give the observation, but it's not a judgment, number one. Number two,
Sure.
when we talk number two, when we talk about the Astha, obviously, Sanatani everywhere across the globe, we all are feeling sad and feeling gloomy when this incidents happen. Number three, when obviously Sridharan has to look at the era when Congress has submitted and asked the question on Astitva of Prabhu Ram, number one. When we talk about the Mandir, what's called economy, obviously Mandir is...
Don't do shameless whataboutery. Don't do shameless whataboutery. You feel responsible for the actions that you have done.
Ms. Chitra, I'll come to you. Let Sanjay Rana speak. Go ahead, Sanjay.
Congress
Don't point fingers at us. We have never
Okay,
done
Chitra
chori in any of the mandirs.
unfortunately, I was
So
waiting
please.
for all three of you and I have completely run out of time. I do want to make each one of you have your points made. Sanjay Rana, make your point.
Chitra Bhatam, do not teach me at least a law. I am a practitioner lawyer, so do not teach me all the laws and all. And please understand, one justice is not a complete...
You may be whatever. You don't teach.
India is
You
not a
don't
justice.
give us
Again,
gyan on
allow me to
Astha.
speak. Allow me to speak. Number two. Obviously, Congress do not have any right to talk about the Mandir economy, do not have a right to talk about the Lord Rama, because we have raised the concern on the Lord
Who are you
Rama
to
and
say that?
submitted the affidavit in 2007. Number two, when we talk about the Mandir economy, look at any Mandir across the globe. Obviously, if you look at the current economy of Ayodhya, obviously number two in terms of GST collections. So Mandir, anywhere Mandir is there, you will find lot of employment is there. Obviously, people are coming.
Yeah,
they're
explain
staying
why the
local,
airports have shut
traveling.
down then.
Yeah. Please, if you do not have a brain, do not talk like this. Okay?
All right, guys. All right, both of you.
Please.
All right, Sanjay Rana, make your point. And I think
Do
let's not
not
keep
interrupt.
let's not
Talk
make
about your
personal
brain.
remarks. Let's not make personal
Talk
remarks here.
about
Sanjay
your
Rana, make your
intellect.
point.
How
No,
you are
don't teach me. I am educated
Sanjay Rana,
than you.
make your
I am
point.
educated than you.
Shame
I
on
am
you.
Make your point. Go
educated
ahead,
Shame
than
on
make
you.
your
you.
point.
You are a chore. You are a chore. And
All
I'm
right,
telling
all
you on
right,
national
all right.
television, you're
Okay,
a chore.
okay. Miss
You have
Chitra,
no right to
Miss
sit
Chitra,
down
Miss
with us.
Chitra. There's no point of both of you. I do want to encourage both of you to try and understand that this is a place where discourse happens.
What right does he have to point fingers at Congress?
And therefore,
talking about
I said,
morality?
no,
If
hold
you
it.
are not willing
Sanjay
to
Rana,
interrupt him,
let
then I
Miss
will
Chitra,
definitely do
let
that.
Sanjay Rana make his point.
Please.
Sanjay Rana, go ahead.
Yeah, very simple. I'm not interrupted between
No,
anyone.
he
Okay.
can't go
They have
ahead
the
and
right to
bullshit
talk.
anything
But
on national
when the
television.
Congress
And I'm
If
not
both
gonna,
of you are going to be
Chitra,
shouting and
Chitra,
fighting
Chitra,
like cats and dogs, there's
you
no
have
discourse going to happen,
I
quite
have been
honestly.
discussing with you many times, and every time I'm giving you a corner. Please, don't allow me to.
All right, Sanjay Rana, go ahead. Make your point.
Okay.
Make
First
your
of all,
point, Sanjay Rana.
Yes, I'm making the points, Neha. Simple as that. Congress do not have a right to talk about simply on Lord Rama. They do not have a right. Is Rahul Gandhi visited
that your
Rama
point?
Temple? Is Sonia Gandhi visited time? They have a time to visit.
Okay, all
Babar.
right.
No, give me 10 seconds. They have a time to visit Babar Tom. They have a time. Indira Gandhi has had a time to go to Afghanistan, visit Tom. And even though Rahul Gandhi in 2005 had a time to go there.
Yeah, why
but
Amit
had
Shah
a
did
time
not
to
visit Ram Mandir? Why
But
did
you
Amit Shah
guys
not
have
visit Ram Mandir?
shameless.
All
You
right,
guys
okay.
have
I'm
shameless.
completely out of time. I'm completely out of time. If this goes on, I can't. I possibly have 30 seconds. Mr. Sukumar, make your last remarks.
Is the real challenge before India is not
Talk about the
simply
Chanda
deciding
Chori,
how
Chor.
severely to
Talk about
punish
the Chanda
corruption,
Chori.
but how effectively to prevent it.
Okay.
Strengthening institutions, ensuring transparency.
All right. I'm
enforcing
really sorry. I have to
accountability without
intervene at
fear
this
or
point.
favor.
And
Women-
I really hope we had more time. We were waiting for you three to be patched. It took time. But thank you so much for joining us.